All right, hello. We're just going to do a little update on the rainfall totals here because they've been adding up across the island. We have some 2+ inch amounts here. I have from underground as well as from the weather service. So let's see we can get those amounts to display on the screen, which would be nice. So you can see some 2.37 inch amounts over Smithtown, over 2 inches of rain in this area here. Almost 2 inches of rain down in Islandia. Look at this around Edgewood Preserve, 2.38 inches, 2.51. So we've got almost a half a month's worth of rain already in this one system here. Mineola looks like we have a 2.21 inch amount, 1.94 in the north part of Mineola. Around Levittown, 2.27. Just what a soaker. What a soaker it's been across the island. Looking at these amounts here, two plus inch amounts across the island. Let's head a little further out east. Might be a little less. No, we got a 1.96 right around Brookhaven State Park. 2 inches, 2.14. So looks like a lot of areas got a lot of rain here. A 2.23 around Riverhead, but South Shore of Suffolk maybe a little less around West Hampton Beach, 0.76. A little less out to the east end. We got well, 2.08, 3 point. That's suspect, that number right there. I don't think it's that high. So a lot of rain across the area. We're looking at the again. Look at this one, 4.1. I don't know if that's right. 4.1. That might be a little over the top. Let's take a look at some other parts of our area. Southern Connecticut. We've got some 1.5 inch amounts. A little less there. A little less in Westchester. Is further north. I see 1.5 inch amounts, 1.5 inch amounts in the city. Actually, some 2+ inch amounts in the city too. Actually, won't be surprised if there was some subways that flooded tonight. We got some 2.93 in part of Brooklyn there. So that's a lot of rain right there. So let's go look at New Jersey. Let's go look at New Jersey. We can get that over to New Jersey. Trying to get it over there. It's being very slow. I do apologize. Let's get this a little more near. So, okay, we have variations in rainfall here. All right, so a little more like 1.25 at the Jersey Shore, not quite as much, but there's some closer to 2 inch amounts once you head towards Central Jersey, Freehold. 1.5 inch amounts in the as we head into the northern part of the state. Yeah, 1.5 inch amounts over there. Let's take a closer look at Toms River because I thought I saw there's a 3.03 inch amount there. I don't know if I believe that one or not because all the readings around it are more like 1.5 inches. So a lot of rain tonight. It was a soaker. We got the weather service amounts too for you. Fairfield, Westport 1.25, New Haven, Seymour 1.38, in Connecticut. In northern Jersey, we got that 1.25 inch range there. I want to focus more on Long Island though in this. So Wantagh and Nassau County is the highest amount at 1.88. That's of 920. So these numbers have probably gone up and a little less. But again, this all varies on the times. Let's see Suffolk County 1.95 at Kings Park. So you got a lot of areas. Might break some records with the most rainfall in the state. We'll have to see if there is a record for that. Actually, I should see that. Let's go to the radar here. We'll look at the radar, and we'll see that we've still got some rain. Look at that slug of rain over there, off to the south and east there. Look at that. So we still got some rain, but it's not quite as heavy as it was. Let's go look at the climate. I'm curious at the record rainfall for the state. We may break it. So let's see. Get the climate information here. Let's see. I'm just curious what the rainfall record for the state was at iSlip. So let's take a look and see what the record was for record rainfall. All right. So the record was, let's see the record, 2.14 in 2014. iSlip might break that. It might break that. So we'll have to see what happens with that. So that's this very brief update on the precipitation totals on this very, very, very wet soaker tonight, and we got more coming as we head toward as we head toward the weekend. Another soaker that I'll keep my eye on for you. Anyway, have a good night.